Today we will be watching my aunt change my grandmother's Remodulin site. This is called skin prep. After you clean the site where you want to put the Remodulin, you will numb around the area and then clean where you will place the Clio 90. The Clio 90 works together with the cartridge to deliver the medicine to the body. While the skin around the site is numbing, you will want to prep for the next step, which is getting the cartridge ready to be filled with the medicine. Here we are showing the skin bandage that will go around the cartridge after you put in the Clio 90. This is used as a protectant for around the skin. You will want to cut a small hole that should fit the Clio 90 so that you will be able to put the skin protectant around the site. The Clio 90 is used as a barrier between the skin and the cartridge so that the cartridge will be able to deliver the medicine through the body. Now we are putting the Clio 90 into the skin. You want to make sure that it is fully inside before you attempt to remove it. You should be as gentle and as careful as possible during this step because the site will now be very sore from the incision. After you put the Clio 90 on, you will now want to take the skin protectant and place it around the Clio 90's site so that the skin around will be protected. Now, for the next step, you will want to take the cartilage and press down firmly until you hear a sort of cracking noise. That's when you will know it is in place. This is the Remodulin medicine that we will be using today to fill the cartridge up. Now that the needle has been prepared, you will want to take the pump from out of its packaging and unravel it so that it may be connected to the cartilage. You will do this before you add the medicine into the cartilage. Now that the pump has been unraveled, you will want to loosen it a few times so that when you're putting it onto the site, it does not get stuck when trying to clasp it together. The next step will be filling the needle with the Remodulin medicine. After it has been filled, you will take the needle and place it in the pump. But to be sure that it is fully inserted, you will want to press down a few times gently to make sure that the needle is fully inserted inside the cartridge. If not, you will waste the medicine and it will not go in properly, causing the readings to become dysfunctional. Once the cartridge is completely filled with the medicine, you will then want to begin the process of connecting the pump with the site. Now, before you put it on the site, you will want to twist it and release about a dime to a nickel size amount onto the paper towel so that the pump may be filled with the medicine. To start the process. Once it has been released to about a dime or nickel size amount, now that you have filled the pump, you will start connecting the cartridge pump with the Clio 90 on the site. You will want to do this carefully and quickly to ensure that you cause the least amount of pain when connecting the sites together. Now that you have connected, you will be done. Lastly, you will want to connect the pump with the battery remote so that it can start giving the medicine regularly for the next 71 hours.